Thank you.
Bye, Jimmy.
Goodbye.
Bye.
She turned it off.
Andrew and I went to the pool this morning. He was kicking me too. We were wrestling.
Of course he is.
Look at this cup.
Of course he is.
What if there was water in that? Ooh, right into his
Yeah,
mouth.
and it helped him wake up again.
Is there water in his cup, Grandma? I don't know.
Hey.
If there is,
Yeah, if there is, you might as well just give it a little extra kiss.
I can break into the lap.
I don't think that would even wake him up. You'd just be really confused when he did wake up. Uh-oh. Accident.
With all these people around.
Reflected.
He's a kicker with you. Yeah, look at that.
Reflected.
Hey, well, come on.
Molly, I think you're tired.
Yeah, is that your necklace?
I've been tired all since the
No.
Is that your necklace?
Molly.
She's ticklish. Oh no, she's not. I thought she was. Are you ticklish?
You want to come see Mama? Emma, say hi to the camera. Hi. How old are you? Are you 4? Do you go to school? What kind of school?
Yeah, it does.
Preschool. What's your favorite thing about preschool?
Playing.
Playing. Who do you play with?
Satoya.
Satoya. Cool. What do you guys play?
I don't know.
Do you play with toys? And dolls?
Who brought the potty in here?
Oh my goodness, Molly.
Who brought the potty?
Ew, that's kind of
What? The potty? Oh.
the toilet right by Carrie.
Oh, they were playing with it, Grandpa?
They were playing on the potty.
Of course. Good time. Plus everybody's always cheering when they get on it.
Yeah.
Oh, this must be why.
Look how cool I am. Oh man.
I like chocolate chip.
Gotta be careful, I assume.
Yeah. Can you play the Mr.
5 times.
Good.